Hello, everyone, and welcome to Taste of Thoughts with Dr. Irina. Dr. Irina, how are you today?
Thank you, thank you. How are you doing?
Oh, just absolutely fantastic. What do you have on the menu for today?
I think we'll make chicken meal today. Chicken
Really?
with asparagus.
Chicken with asparagus?
Yes.
Wow.
And I ground here actually by myself.
You did it?
Chicken thighs. Usually, like meatloaf or this kind of thing, we make with chicken breasts, with this part of chicken. But I found using chicken thighs, if you don't have any contraindication to eat like red meat, it comes juicier.
Chicken thighs are juicier?
Yeah. So let's try.
So how did you ground it up? You got these as chicken thighs
in
a food processor?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So this is ready. That's about maybe a pound. So all we need to add is a little bit onion and the mushroom, and 1 egg probably will be enough. No breadcrumbs.
No breadcrumbs.
No bad carbs at all. And I need your help as usual.
Okay. I'm here, willing and able.
Yes, but it's okay. It doesn't interrupt us. Well, for this amount, maybe half an onion will be enough. Yes.
So you ground this chicken, so that means you're going to make chicken patties?
Yes. This was my intention, and this was my. And meanwhile, I'll.
All right, my favorite part.
It is fun.
It's like trying to start up your lawnmower.
Yeah.
Really does a great job, though. This is quite an invention. I love it.
And we have mushroom. These brown ones. And do you mind to put onions inside?
Okay.
Just be careful with the very sharp knife.
Okay.
Wonderful. And just for color, to add some color to them, we'll use a little bit green onion too.
A little bit of green onion, too. Okay.
Yeah, it will be nice. When it is cooked, you'll see this spring green pieces there. This is it. This is all we need to do. And we'll add 1 egg. 1 egg. Salt and pepper.
Yes, I love that.
We use all your favorite devices here.
Oh, I love the automatic pepper.
Yes.
No.
To add some spice and some taste, we'll add
Worcestershire
yes.
sauce.
And I think this is it. We'll mix this up. Oh, sorry.
Get your hands right in there and mix it up.
Yes, otherwise it's.
That's when you put the love into the food.
Yes, giving massage. Massage. Well.
Oh, there's a lot of great flavor coming out of that right now. I can smell it.
Now, to make it fancy, we'll use another special device today.
Oh.
Yeah, we actually never used it. It doesn't make any difference in terms of taste or nutrition, but just sometimes we want something fancy, right?
It'll be fun. Won't make a day, like you said, it won't make a difference in the the taste or,
No.
or nutrition, but it's
But it looks
It's gonna look
nice.
great.
Yes. So this is our texture. Looks pretty nice. So we have a skillet, preheated, heated on a high heat. And these are things we are going to use today to make them fancy.
ah,
Yeah, I bought it. I also can't stand any new gadgets. So,
very interesting. Nice
yes.
gadget.
So you place this. The point is it is not going out, so it stays inside of this. So we are getting like
That's the
burgers.
plan, right?
Yeah, that's the plan. Like burgers. And then we fill it. We fill it inside. And we'll get very nice round.
It's going to be a good-looking patty.
Yes. Just for fun. Okay, this is the second one, and the rest we'll make the regular one, the regular shape.
It's going to be a perfect shape.
Yes, but let's make other shapes too. We have some place here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. There you go. So it'll be a different shape.
Yes. And then, while they're cooking, we'll cook the side dish, which is asparagus. Do you like asparagus?
Yes, I like asparagus. I do.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, good.
That's usually one of my vegetable side dishes when I go to a restaurant. It's either broccoli or
Right.
asparagus.
Right. And this is really the best. It is very healthy, and if it cooked well, it's delicious. Let's do it. Let's cook our asparagus too. So we'll
Okay.
leave the meat to cook on a high temperature. Then we'll reduce the heat a little bit, but late. What we are going to do for asparagus, of course, we'll cut this thick part because this is not tender. We want only this tender part, and that actually matches our dish. This is very thick. We'll place them like this. Oh. Asparagus actually cooked very quickly, but the temperature should be high. Let's put it actually, let's do it already. Let's a little bit preheat it to 450.
450, okay. We will preheat.
Preheat.
It's on.
And okay, we didn't use even all. Let's make it, give it some nice taste. We'll put a little bit salt, not much, lemon pepper, dip in oil or any other oil or olive oil with flavors.
Okay.
Flavor it
Yeah.
olive oil. I like this dip in olive oil most. It is more flavored. And lemon. Sprinkle with lemon. is it. Now it goes
Pretty
to...
simple.
Very simple, yes.
We put it in the oven?
And put in the oven for about 12 minutes. But we'll see. We'll follow it. Now, let's see how our patties are doing. See, the point of this funny device that they're not going
They're not just
fall
spread-
apart.
They're not
yes.
spreading apart
They're not
and
spreading
falling apart. Right.
And you'll
You're keeping
see
them
how
contained
they
as the patties contained in that.
yeah. Actually, these are doing also pretty well. These are the
Mm-hmm.
small ones. The most tricky part is turn them
Is what?
around. Is turn it
Turn
down.
them over. That's
Yeah.
got to be tricky.
This is
I want to see this. This should be good.
now. Looks like it's time to turn them. Not to turn it, to turn heat a little bit
So you started off at high
less.
heat,
Yes. Now we'll lower it a little bit.
going down to medium
But
heat.
you see they're cooking pretty nice. They're getting ready. Okay, asparagus is cooking for 12 minutes. Look at them. They're
Yeah.
getting better and better. Now is the most tricky part.
Aha.
We need to turn them over.
This is going to be interesting.
This is going to be interesting.
Do you want a drum roll? I don't think so. We'll get it. You'll do it.
You'll get it, yes. So I use a spatula and
Ah, there you go.
now at this point we don't need it anymore
That's right. It's already
because
formed the shape.
it's already firmed. Yes, all we need is. So is it okay if I pass it to you?
Yep. Yes, you can.
Now let's turn another one. Opa, look, like hamburgers.
Wow.
Thank you.
It's a great job. Great job you did.
And now this small ones.
Those look so good.
Kids,
Wow.
kids are ready too. So we have.
You know, they're browned. They're just perfect the way they're browned like that.
So we need another maybe 2-3 minutes them to cook. I'm not turning the heat not down and not up. It should be medium heat. We need time to give them time to cook through.
And in the meantime, our asparagus is cooking too.
Yes.
Baking.
So very soon the meal is ready. It can be lunch, it can be dinner, whatever you prefer.
Well, those things look just absolutely great. That chicken looks fabulous.
Thank you. All we need to do is take these guys
Chicken patties,
Is it-
perfectly round.
perfectly round. And you
And
have these
if you don't have the
babies.
rings, you can make
Yes.
them like that. That looks
Yes.
almost bite size.
Yes. Let me put this here.
It looks
And-
so good.
Yeah, looks wonderful. And how's our asparagus doing? I think this is ready too. Oh, nice. Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
It smells wonderful.
Those look delicious.
So we have this. This is it.
Good presentation. Now for the tasting.
This is it, yes. So, 2 big ones for babies and asparagus.
That's right. That's right.
Hopefully you like it. And hopefully everyone likes it.
Oh, I'm sure it's going to be good. If it tastes as good as it smells, it's going to be good.
Yes, okay.
All right. Well, let's
It's time to eat.
okay. Let's do this. Well, I'm going to go for the big guy.
Of course. Would you like a chair?
And the asparagus. Yep, we'll go for the chair.
I'm going for small one. It is like a Mickey Mouse.
Now, you already put pepper in this, right?
Yes. Why?
Oh, I was just, because sometimes I usually pepper. But
Oh,
you've
you can
already-
do it.
You've already done it, though. I
We
think
have
that's
this.
good, yeah.
And this is very fast, right? I like cook meals which are very simple and fast. You don't need to do it for hours.
You know, this is very moist, too.
Yes,
It's not,
this
it's not
is-
dry at all. Sometimes chicken can be dry.
This is what I found the difference between meals made from with chicken breasts and or with chicken thighs. So thighs always moist, more juicy. Asparagus is very good.
Boy, this chicken is fantastic.
Let's see.
A lot
Yeah,
of
it is
flavor.
totally cooked inside. So. Very good. Delicious.
A
Yeah.
lot of flavor in both the asparagus and the chicken.
So you don't have any carbs here. You didn't use flour to put, you know, the patties may be like in flour or in breadcrumbs. Just avoid it. We don't need this extra stuff. The meat itself and vegetables, they're full of flavor and full of taste. So
That's
there is
right.
nothing.
So like you always say, you can have a nice, healthy meal and have it really good tasting.
Absolutely. Healthy meal can be even more delicious than not healthy one.
Well, you've done it again, Dr. Irina.
Thank you.
And for those of you out here watching, Dr. Irina does have these recipes in her book, Taste of Thoughts. And
Thank
she also has a website, and you go on the website, you can find the recipes as well.
Thank you.
So a great meal, chicken patties and asparagus.
Yes.
Thanks very much. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.